Alright guys, 2018 Nissan Rogue, doing the oil change. I've already broken it free, that's why it's leaking. It's a 9/16 bolt. Obviously mine's on a lift. You pull yours up on ramps, then bolt it, drain it out into a container, and oil filter is right here under this side cover. Grab it. I use Harbor Freight pair of pliers. Works real easy. Counterclockwise, like that. Counterclockwise, get it free. Here's the part number. I'll put this in the description below for you. This is a 2.5 liter. It takes 5 quarts even. When you put the new oil filter in, here, let me get this drained out. Give me a second. Let me get this oil filter off. You're going to see it drains down too. You're going to want to have a container. It's going to splash on your frame. Put it in there. Get that on out of there. Alright. Let me get this one opened up. New filter. Just plastic off. You want to take some of the old oil and rub it around the ring before you put it back in. So, a little old oil, rub it around the ring. This helps you get a good seal on it. And then get it up in there. Just screw it clockwise. And only hand tight. You can use a rag, tighten it up a little bit more if you want. And then put your bolt back in when it's done draining oil. It's 9/16. Tighten it up. And again, up top, I'll show you in a second, it's 2.5 quarts. Or 2.5 liter engine, it's 5 quarts. We got a fancy machine here. Alright, right here. Take it off. I put it right here to where you can't close the hood. Unless you put oil in it and put it back in. We always fill all the fluids. 5 quarts. I'll put the oil we use. We use a full synthetic. Five quarts. Put the lid back on. Don't forget it. Alright, I'll put the oil filter in the description below. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Peace.